Today I'm making homemade zucchini pancakes. First, I'm going to grate 3 cups of zucchini in my food processor. If you don't have a food processor, a hand grater works just as well. Now I'm going to mince 1/4 cup of a white onion. It's about a half an onion. Now in a small bowl, I'm going to beat the 2 eggs and then set them aside. Now in my large bowl, I'm going to add the zucchini and the eggs, and then I'm going to mix that well. Now I'm going to add the onions and mix that. Now I'm going to add the salt, the garlic, and the pepper, and mix that well. And then finally, I'm going to add the cheese. And now the flour. And mix that well to get everything incorporated. Now drizzle olive oil in a pan over medium heat. And then drop the zucchini mixture by spoonfuls. Now cover and cook 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden brown. Now that they're done, just top them off with a spoonful of plain Greek yogurt and fresh chopped parsley. Doesn't that look delicious?